today's progress, it all fits in. What we need to do is we need to glue the bottom and then do our fixings all around the edge, and then we'll put some varnish on it so it won't stain. But we've got some lovely grains going through and it's all plywood, so I'm very happy.
How are you feeling today, Bex?
Oh lordy, I'm very hungover. Okay, so I've literally just finished painting. I used black chalk, wood paint on these bits of wood, the ceiling, and I also done the outside of the fan as well. Basically, with the Max Air fan you get given a case but it only comes so far, so I've painted the rest black so it'll be like black and white effect. Yeah, happy with the outcome. So next part of the ceiling is now varnishing, and we're using diamond glaze. So I've just used the diamond glaze varnish on and it looks really good. I'm going to do a couple of more coats, but it's supposed to be really tough stuff, so it'll be really good for the van to keep the wood in good tact. But yeah, so we've started making a frame. This is all going to be basically our wardrobe storage and going to have a couple of shelves on there, so I'm going to start painting and varnishing them. Lines here still have some chalk on, as you can see, so I'm going to sand it down, put some glue, sand it again, and then hopefully they'll be less noticeable, and then I can crack on with varnishing the floor. So that's it for this video. What we've done is we've put the floor in, we've put glue, and we've basically sanded down the floor. We put some glue in those lines with a little bit of leftover sawdust, just to cover up those lines a little bit more and to get rid of the chalk that was there when we were cutting it. And then we've started our storage. There's a shelf here and there's going to be another shelf here. That's just waiting to dry at the moment, but in the next video you'll start to see some more progression. We're going to start cladding some of these sides, and then you'll also see some of the side panels back in as well. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm pretty happy with the progress so far, but you're going to see a lot more in the next coming videos, so stay tuned.